Hey y'all, how you doing? Welcome to Passionate Intrigue Art. I'm doing another outside uh, spring project, 2024. I cleaned that shelf off and put some what you call those things? Uh, Stakes down. Hold that shelf up. Now I want to color it. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to see me color it, but I have a stain. It's a wood stain, Rust-Oleum, and it's in a coral color. Got this from Ollie's for 99 cents. So whatever it looked like, it just gonna look like. Let's go over here and see. It's Saturday evening. It's like 10 minutes to 8. It's only 54 degrees out here. The sun has gone down. And I'm just going to see what I can do to get this started. And hopefully I'll get it finished. Coral stain. That's interesting. I shook it up pretty good. And it is coral. Oh my God. That is a stain. It looks like paint. Anywho, I don't have on any gloves. Um, let's go. This kind of, my brush is kind of big, but let's get started. Oh wow. That's coral all right. I need a smaller brush so I can stick it down in there. That's weird. But for 99 cents, whatever. You know what? I'm gonna pour it on here. How about that? I don't know. Oh, that's gonna make a mess. You get up against this fence so that I don't get it on the fence. I'm gonna go down this edge. How about that? Oh, got it on the fence. Slow down, take your time. Slow down, take your time. That's gonna put a pop of color out here, you think? Down at the opposite end now, and I imagine wipe that off. I imagine maybe I'll have to put a second coat on here, and maybe not because it's kind of bright. Don't know if I'm gonna do the stakes or not. We just smooth it over. and I am done for the day. All right, let me show it to you. Move some things. So I'm just gonna wipe it down. Let's see. Okay, there it is. If I can get it in the camera. There we go, I guess. Good enough. Good enough. One more project down. Already know. I just had to do the legs, right? Yes, I just had to do them. That's the OCD-ish in me. Okay, yeah, it's bright. But it'll be alright. Maybe it'll attract some hummingbirds or something. I don't know. Peace and love. We'll see ya. See you soon. Happy Gardening Project 2024. How many projects y'all got? Hit that bell notification and think about subscribing. I've got more items to share with you. Peace and love. Be blessed.